Hello everyone, it's Val again. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to share with you another video, smoothie video. So what we're going to be making today is a green smoothie, and it's going to be full of very good nutrients. The ingredients I'm going to be using today, first of all, I'm going to be using some spinach. This is about 2 cups of spinach. Spinach, of course, is very rich in potassium. It has magnesium, vitamin B6, B9, and it is very rich in vitamin E as well. This is about, I'd say, a cup of avocado. Yes, I love avocados. And avocado, of course, it is it has potassium even more than bananas. Yes, it's very rich in potassium. It is very good for heart health. It has fatty acids that are very healthy for the heart. It has fiber, and of course it also helps in lowering cholesterol. I have here some cucumbers that I've chopped, and cucumbers are very good. They have antioxidant properties. They help in regularity, and it's hydrating, yes, and it also helps with weight loss. I also have something that you may think is yucky, but I love it. It's very healthy. Okras. So this is about 1/3 of a cup of okra. I should put some more. Yeah, okras are very rich in vitamin C. It has potassium, folic acid, calcium. It's low in calorie and it's high in fiber. Okras are very good. And now it has been discovered, or it may have been discovered a long time, that okras are very good to fight cancer. Actually, a study was done. Let me share with you. Study was done, and they used okra to treat breast cancer cells, and it was discovered that it reduced breast cancer cells by 63%, and it actually killed body cancer cells by 72%. So okras are a superfood, I would say. Okay, that's that. I also have here some kiwi. It's about 1/2 cup of kiwi, and kiwis are very high in vitamin C. Kiwis actually have more vitamin C than lemon and orange. I also have some dates. This is just 2 dried dates that I've cut in half. And dates are very good. I use it as a sweetener. I puree it sometimes, and I use it like on my pancakes, stuff like that. They are high in antioxidant properties as well, and it's a very good brain health food. It's very good for the brain, and it's very excellent to use as a sweetener. Of course, my trusted almond milk, and of course, oh, and ginger. I have a little bit of ginger here. Ginger, this may be too much for this book. Ginger is anti-inflammatory. It's very good. It helps with muscle pains, and I guess it's the anti-inflammatory properties. So it's good for muscle pain and soreness, menstrual pain. It's used for so many different reasons. Anti-nausea, and it's good for circulation. But I love my ginger in most of my smoothies. Sometimes I even munch on ginger. Can you imagine? It burns a little, but it is really good for your body. And of course, one more thing, I have my trusted chia seeds and flaxseed that I had this grounded already, that I used it in something else, and so I have this much. It's about 1/3 of a cup of my chia and flaxseed that I will add. And of course, you know, flaxseed is very good. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start. I have here my Vitamix. I'm going to add the spinach avocado, my almond milk, add the cucumbers, my okra, kiwi. This is a very unusual green smoothie, but I love it. And I'm going to add my little bit of ginger, and close up, and we get ready to start. Okay. Make sure all the spinach, oh yeah, it is so green. Let's go one more time. Yep, it is very green, y'all. Now for the test. Oh my goodness, it is so creamy. Hint of ginger. It is just so good. You'll enjoy it. So go ahead, try it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. And they're coming. Yes, I'm bringing them. So tell your friends, tune in, and I have a lot more in store for you. So, bon appetit.